Good day, Prof, and good day, everyone. My name is Kende Aduralere. On this slide, again, we're going to talk about data storage, file system, and ethics in cybersecurity. We all know what it means by data storage with our phone, with our laptop, and the file system and ethics and how it related to cyber security. So today we're going to talk about these files, how some of the features and the disadvantage of it in our organization. So today we all see, as it's stated here, like a file system structure, and the two major areas that we're going to explore, that we're going to look at is Windows and Linux. So the presentation, we're going to talk about how it actually relates to our businesses and how it's also relate to when we talk about the our cybersecurity. So Windows, when we look at Windows, we see the features that has ATFS, which also like FAT and drive base, GUI, focus, and look at Linux is EXT4 and SFS. So the root and the structure and the CLI. So when we look at the diagram, it shows us the how Windows are being programmed. We look at the C drive folder and text file, image, and video file. On the Linux, we have root direction file and so on and so forth. So how does it relate to each other? We're going to look at the similarities and the differences. So when we look at the Linux and Windows, we see that it is very open and is very open. It's also help in our storage, like file storage and management. Then, like, how does it, when you put your information in the data or create a storage, it helps us to manage it. Like you can be able to organize it, put name on it, or put how you want it to be. It's very simple and easy to access. Then it gives you access to put permission on it, like maybe a password it, and the hierarchy design that when you can start from how maybe from letter identification, maybe you number it or you put some letters on it, so it helps to organize it. Then the difference between the two is Windows are user friendly. What do we mean by user friendly? That is very easy to access, like you can easily grab it. And even though if you are not computer illiterate, you'll be able to access it very easy. Then Linux, what are the difference is secure. It's easy to secures our data and customizable. Like you can customize it. Very easy to customize. And so the both are really, really important and very, very easy to access, and the differences are not that crazy. So the business preference. So when we talk about the business preference, on the Windows side, we have the help to, is like I said, it's easy, friendly, it's easy to access, and it's easy to be used. That you can, it's easy to use. Application compatibility, help enterprise support. It support our business. Then Linux, when you talk about the management like finance, it cost effective. and also secure, stable for server. So the business combine both systems, Windows and Linux, are very, very good at it. Help us to structure our business. Enterprise storage solution. Like if we want to store our documents in our business area, these windows are really, really important. It's very, very easy. Like they are cost effective, it's simple, file level access, it's very easy. So one of it is NAS, which is a network attached storage, which is called NAS. It's simple, cost effective, and easy to access. SAN, storage area network, high performance, scalable, and block level storage. Like it's help. It gives us high level of performance, and it's also help you to scale and able to see the level of the storage. Then we have to know that in a very smaller environment, is the use of these enterprise these network solutions are very, very high performance, give us high performance in our businesses. So then we're going to look at it in a Christian perspective. Like as a Christian, as a Christian, we want to make sure that all what we are doing is open and give us integrity. So the principle of being a good Christian is integrity, stewardship, and responsibility. So you want to make sure that you have something that can give you that integrity out there. Then the stewardship is like serve people, that he'll be able to serve you and he'll be able to do the thing that you have to do. Then ethical concern in behaviorals and all that. The data privacy, it helps us to protect our data, and it's also secure and also give us a cost effective. It doesn't give you too much as to manage, even to manage the system, protect the user. It also protect us. So from a Christian perspective, organization must protect data responsible and act with integrity, because when you are giving an information, a company give you an information about them, or you are given a job to do, yours is to protect and make sure that the information does not leak out. So how do we do this in a Christian perspective? We must make sure that every data, everything given to us, you must have to protect it. You have to do it accordingly. It has to make sure that it gives us that integrity, the stewardship, responsibility, and also make sure that we are able to protect the data and give us a cost effective. The role of ethics in decision making. It helps us to avoid compromising security for costs, prioritizing user protection, maintain transparency. It maintains transparency. So ethical decision make ensure organizations do not sacrifice security for finance gain. So this also makes sure that our decisions are based on integrity, that most of the things that we make, decision we make, we are not after what we gain, but we are also make sure that we are protecting our data. We are protecting the data given to us. And so the conclusion today, we'll be able to find out that file systems differ in structure. So when we have different files, everybody has different files in organization. So the structure is also different. So, but we must be able to have something that will be able to secure this thing and give us a lot of flexibility that we're able to mitigate around this files. Then storage solution is very, very important. Ethics guide cybersecurity decision. That is our ethics, our way of life, our behavior, whatever we do must be able to guide, make sure that it go in line with every decision that we make, so that we will not compromise all the data given to us. Technical decision must align with the both business objective and ethical responsibility. So some of the this conclude reference. This conclude the slide, and I hope we enjoy it. Thank you and have a wonderful day.